Hi! In front of me is OnePlus 11 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off autocorrection on this OnePlus. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll all the way down to access additional settings. In them, select Keyboard and Input Method. Click on Manage Keyboards and tap on Gboard. Finally, select Text Correction. All you need to do from here is scroll down and click on this switcher next to autocorrection to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!